You say that justice is merely the interest of the stronger. But consider this, my friends, is it not rather the harmony of the soul?
In the streets of ancient Athens, one man stood out. He asked questions no one dared to ask. This is the story of Socrates, the man who questioned everything.
Socrates was born in 469 BCE in Athens, Greece. He didn't write books like other philosophers. Instead, he walked the streets,
talking to people, challenging their ideas,
and inspiring minds. His ideas weren't written, but lived in conversations. Through dialogue, he sparked curiosity in everyone. This is how a simple life in Athens changed the course of philosophy. He wanted to awaken thought.
when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it.
We need a plan to defend the city.
The council will not agree. It is just Trinish.
He turned dialogue into discovery.
His goal wasn't to give answers. But to make others think deeply. A method that still shapes how we seek truth today.
We often look for meaning in the grand gestures, forgetting that the universe reveals itself in the quietest moments, if we only choose to listen.
True knowledge exists in knowing that you know nothing.
Socrates once said, "The unexamined life is not worth living." Wisdom begins in wonder.
To him, philosophy wasn't about memorizing facts or repeating ideas. It was about understanding yourself and how you live your life.
He believed real wisdom began with questioning your own beliefs. Every question, every doubt, was a doorway to deeper truth. Socrates taught that wisdom wasn't given, it was discovered through honest reflection. He inspired others to look inward, to search for meaning within their own souls.
For Socrates, wisdom wasn't in knowing everything, but in knowing how little we truly know.
And that idea still burns in every mind that dares to question. Not everyone liked Socrates' questions.
He corrupts the youth with his endless questions.
His words threaten the very foundations of our state.
Athenian leaders felt threatened by his influence and his voice.
You will have all that you have wished for.
But it will be a heavy weight to bear.
His fearless search for truth began to make powerful enemies.
He is innocent.
The law must be upheld.
Justice for Socrates. Those who loved him saw injustice. Those in power saw rebellion.
He never fought back with anger, only with reason and calm conviction.
And yet, even in accusation, his wisdom remained unshaken.
During his trial, Socrates refused to plead for mercy.
Instead, he stood firm and defended his ideas with unwavering confidence. He argued that his only mission was to push people to think critically.
Even when facing death, he never abandoned his pursuit of truth. To Socrates, principles were worth more than survival. His courage in the face of judgment shaped the future of philosophy forever. Socrates accepted his fate with remarkable calm. Surrounded by his devoted students, he prepared for his final moments.
He drank the hemlock without fear.
His followers watched, heartbroken, as their teacher embraced death.
Socrates passed away with dignity and unwavering courage.
He left behind a legacy built on truth, integrity, and fearless conviction.
Though Socrates never wrote a single book, his ideas survived. His students, especially Plato, carried his teachings forward. Through them, the world learned the power of Socratic questioning.
Today, his method shapes the foundations of philosophy and education.
Critical thinking, open dialogue, and inquiry all trace back to him.
Socratic influence spans centuries, shaping minds across the world.
Socrates reminds us that life isn't about easy answers. It's about having the courage to question and to think for yourself. His spirit lives on in every search for truth.
The real question is, what will you choose to ask today?